Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is still trading inside a range. Gold is sideways, gold is choppy. In simple words, number of trading opportunities are still very limited. And if you're a day trader, then still you do not have a clear direction. But the weekly closing was significant because if you watch the chart, okay, then you may not find any thing very significant. But if you look at the number, you can see gold closed above 4,000, and a weekly closing above 4,000 is very important. Why? Because the weekly closing above 4,000 signifies that the bulls in the market have not surrendered yet. So if you are stuck in a buy position, for example, if you have taken a buy around 4100, 4200, then still there is a good hope that the market will recover very soon, because the bulls are still there in the market and they are giving their best fight. And if we look at the market sentiment, you can see gold post small gain for the week. Gold gains as dollars offense, US shutdown jitters persist. So the reason, okay, we saw an upset on the chart of gold was due to the weakness on dollar. Now, if we look at the daily chart of gold, on a daily chart, you can see the overall trend of the market is still very much intact. In our previous videos also, we discussed that if gold really wants to go for further correction, it needs to cross 3886. But gold somehow maintained the level and somehow survived. So the overall trend of gold still has not changed. It is still very much bullish. This was just a correction and it was very important. If gold really wants to go for further correction or deeper retracement, then obviously gold needs to break 3886, but as of now chances are less. So if you are a swing trader, okay, if you are a swing trader or a positional trader, if you are in a buy position right now, you can still hold your buy position with your trading stop losses. And if you are a day trader, okay, then okay, things a little bit I won't say not very happy for you, because market is in a range. In a range bound market like this, the trading opportunities are less. Okay, so let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday. My dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, then you can consider opening an account with Vantage, because Vantage is the perfect solution if you are a serious trader. Not only Vantage provides you the best trading experience, but it also takes care of your hard-earned money, because it's a tier 1 regulated broker, multi-regulated broker with a membership of the Financial Commission, and also it provides insurance up to $1 million. So if you are trading with a big capital, then you don't need to worry about the safety of your capital. You can see they have already more than 5 million registered users, more than 1,000 plus products. So feel free to join Vantage if you're looking for your one-stop solution for your trading. And you can also use a referral code. The link will be in the description. Now let's talk about gold again. So in a market condition like this, okay, when a particular chart is stuck in a range, the best trading strategy is to stick to the levels. Why? Because if a market is trending, means the bulls are dominating. So in a bullish market, the simple trading strategy is whenever the market comes for retracement, we try to buy at the support. Okay, you can buy at the support, or when there's a breakout, you can buy. When there is a bearish market, you can look for a sell position, or the best strategy is selling. Okay, where we can sell when the previous support becomes the resistance, or if there is a breakdown. If market doesn't go up, market is too weak, then we can look for a sell position and breakdown. But when we see a market like this, it means the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, and we need to be a little bit careful in a market like this, because the breakouts usually fail. As a result, sticking to the levels is the best trading strategy. Okay, because breakout means what? The buyers, okay, buyers are winning the game and the bears or the sellers have surrendered. If a market is going down, means bulls have surrendered and sellers are winning the game. But as long as the market is trading inside a range, it means nobody have surrendered and the battle is still going on between buyers and sellers. As a result, most of the traders lose money in a market like this because they fail to keep patience. They enter on the middle of the chart and lose money. If you really want to make money in a sideways market or choppy market, stick to the levels. The blue line at the bottom, 3886 or 8990, whatever it is, okay. This is the ultimate support, okay. If market comes down, obviously we can look for a buy, but as I said, okay, to continue the correction, okay, gold needs to break this particular level here. Chances are very low right now. So if gold drops on Monday, we can expect a support around 3930. This is the first support or the best support on the chart of gold. But the problem with 3930 is that okay, it is far away from the current market price. So if we need any immediate level, okay, then we need to switch to a lower time frame. Lower time frame, low reliability. Higher time frame, high reliability. 3930 was from a higher time frame, but it was far away, so we have switched to lower time frame. Now we can see that we also have a support around 3968. So during the day on Monday, if market comes down, market takes support around 39686770 area, we can look for a buy position. You can see we also have another support around 3985 area as well. But is this a strong support? Obviously no. Okay, but if there is not much volume in the market, market is slow, market is dull, okay, you can look for a buy around 86 39 8587 as well. Keep in mind it's a weak level. Okay, it's a weak level. Personally, I have no plans to buy around this area, but it depends. Okay, if volume is low, then we can expect a bounce of 80 to 90 pips. Otherwise, it's better to stick to the levels like 3930 or 396870. Okay, this is subjective. 398586. Okay, and if market goes up from here, what can we do? Now see, okay, it will be critical because market has been facing resistance around this particular area for a long time. Okay, so if you want to take a sell around 4025, okay, it will be very risky. If your strategy says go for a sell, you can go for it. But as a day trader, you can look for a sell around the yellow line at the top here, which is around 4850. I think as a day trader or scalper, you can look for a sell position around 4850 once. But if you want to take a sell around 2526, it's your call. Personally, I'm not going to take it because the market has already tested this level many times. And there's a high chance that, okay, this time market will break it or market will go for stop loss hunting. So around 4850, maybe we will get a sell position opportunity once, but later on, there's a high chance that market will break it because weekly closing above 4000 signified that bulls are there in the market and they are not ready to surrender. So there's a high chance that on Monday or Tuesday we will see gold above 4050. So what we can do is, okay, when the same resistance will become the new support, we can enter at pullback. Why not breakout? Because as of now we do not see any proper chance of breakout here. If any opportunity arises on Monday, we will discuss, but right now I only see an opportunity, okay, of buying a pullback for safety purpose. Okay, let's see how does the market open. We will discuss on Monday. Just keep in mind, do not lose patience. It's better to wait than to lose money. Okay, bye bye.